This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bonnie Mayo. Lovely location close to clubhouse and recreation. This home enjoys a beautiful view of the lake. Original owner. Home only used seasonally. HVAC replaced in 2017. Water heater and microwave replaced April 2020. 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 baths, and 2-car garage. Lovely screened in and open patios off great room. Private patio, overlooking water from master suite. Cascades, Street Lucie West, was voted number 2 for the best active 55+ community in the country. 26,000 square feet clubhouse featuring a grand ballroom, media room, card rooms, billiards, library, and art center. Heated pool and spa, fitness center, 10 true tennis courts, pickleball and 9-hole golf course. Low HOA includes all amenities, high-speed internet and expanded COMCAST cable. Walk to shopping, restaurants, and recreation. Come see for more information, review the details below or contact Bonnie Mayo at 772-236-2446.